Hi, my name's Chris from Create Education. We're here at our tech centre with our industry partners 3D GBIRE today to do a unboxing, quick review and show you around the new Shining 3D Einstar entry-level 3D scanner. 3D GBIRE, they are our industry partners that work with all of our industry and business-to-business customers. We at Create Education work exclusively with the education and research sector, supporting everyone from primary schools through universities and research centres. Our partners over at Shining 3D think that this new Einstar 3D scanner is going to fit really well with our partners and our customers at primary and secondary level education. Here we have the new Shining 3D Einstar scanner. So it comes in this new hard fabric box, which is really quite sturdy. It's got loops on the side. And if I flip that one around here and get it opened up, we have inside the new scanner itself. So it's kind of a bar-shaped one-handed scanner. We've got a vent on the top there and a vent on the bottom with a power adapter. We've got a little hand strap, controls on the back, and a couple of LED light bars on there. That's really nice. It's quite a dense, quality feeling piece of kit. We've got the cable and power adapters in the two boxes here. On this side, we've got another zip pocket, and because we've got the glass panel over the front of the cameras here, we've got a lens cleaning cloth, and one of its scan modes involves using the stickers. So we've got a set of sticker markers there as well. Inside this, we also have another pocket there for any accessories. We've got the calibration board in a nice felt bag. This calibration board is on glass for these scanners, so we've got the 3D calibration and the white balance calibration. We've got a strap to go around the outside of the box, so you can carry it from place to place nice and easily. That's a big chunk of foam padding there, and this is padded on the inside too. We have our cable and connector to go into the scanner. What we need to do is make sure that we line up the little red dot on the connector at the bottom with the red dot on the cable there. Power adapter into the USB like that, and we'll see two blue lights come up on the back of the 3D scanner. Plug that into the laptop. So we've got the software running on the laptop already. It says the device is offline at the second, but once we plug that in and click the button to reconnect, the scanner is then connected, ready to go, and it's as easy as that. The calibration on the new Einstar is quite straightforward. So the first one is to have the scanner at 90 degrees to the board, perfectly straight, press the play button, and you can see there's a little green circle in the middle of the screen there. And as you lift the scanner up, as it shows on the screen, you can see the 5 rectangles start to fill in as we move the scanner further away from the calibration board. The next bit is to calibrate the white balance. We start again at 90 degrees to the board and lift the scanner vertically, and again we've got the boxes on the screen. But as we get towards the middle, there's a couple of quick flashes and we've got the white balance calibrated. So now we're set up in portrait scan mode. First we need to do a preview by clicking the play button on the back of the scanner, so you can see my head and you can see me talking on the preview with the 3D scan. If I move it around, you can see in the preview window and on the screen itself. Now those red sections you'll see are areas that are not going to come up on the preview window. So where my cheek's really bright red there, there's a little hole on the 3D model. So what we'll need to do is just adjust the brightness a little bit. Once we're happy with the brightness, press the play button on the back of the scanner. So next, we're going to scan a 3D object. So here's a part that we 3D printed earlier. What we need to do first is scan the object that I have peppered with marker stickers. So that's our walkthrough of the new Shining 3D Einstar. Both the modes, really useful. For the entry-level price of this scanner, it's really, really good at doing things like face scans and object scans, and hopefully you found those walkthroughs and that unboxing really useful. So if you need more information about this particular scanner, please get in touch with us at Create Education. You can bob onto our website, bob onto our marketplace and have a look how much this scanner is going to be. Get in touch with us at enquiries@createeducation.com and we will be able to help with any of your 3D scanning and 3D printing needs.